The question says which is the correct outer configuration of chromium. For the element chromium, we have to write outermost electronic configuration. If you look at here, you can see outermost electronic configuration is given in terms of orbital notation, and in orbital notation, filling of electron is always done according to Hund's rule. According to Hund's rule, filling of orbital is done first with a single spin followed by double spin. Okay, first we write down the outermost electronic configuration. Element we have chromium Cr, its atomic number is 24. Okay, when we write outermost electronic configuration, 4 will go to d orbital and 2 will go to s orbital. This is the outermost electronic configuration supposed to be. But now d orbital pulls one electron from s orbital to be in stable state because it will be half filled. Then it is a spontaneous process, it happens automatically. It pulls one electron from s orbital, then it becomes 3d5, and then we have 4s1 is there. 4s1. This is outermost electronic configuration for chromium. Now we write orbital notation. Okay, so in d subcell we have how many orbitals are there? 5 orbitals. We have 3d5 is there, and in s subcell we have only one orbital, only one box is there. Okay, when we fill these electrons, how many electrons are there in d orbital? 5 electrons are there. We follow Hund's rule. First of all, these orbitals are filled with a single spin followed by double spin. Okay, so first spin, second spin, third spin, fourth spin, and fifth spin is there. Okay, you can see each orbital is filled with a single spin followed by, this rule is stated by Hund's. Okay, we got 5 unpaired electrons. Now in this case only one spin is there, so I put up here only one spin for one electron. Okay, so this is the outermost electronic configuration. Yeah, we can say this is the orbital notation for the outermost electronic configuration of chromium is there. Any such option you can see, we have option C is there. Option C is correct. Orbital notation, you can see each orbital is filled with a single spin, whether it is d orbital or s orbital. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.